Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to generate traffic, leads, subscribers, and sales using YouTube videos in 2018, consider subscribing. I publish new videos every Monday, Thursday, and do live streams every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So why should you subscribe to my YouTube channel? I'm a YouTube expert that has been using YouTube videos over the last few years to attract subscribers, build a list, and generate sales for my own products as well as affiliate products. I've also helped other YouTubers to grow their own channels. Don't take my word for it. Here are a few testimonials from my current subscribers that explain how I've helped them grow their own channels. My channel has grown to over 22,000 subscribers and over 4 million views at the time of recording this video, and continues to grow steadily every month. I've discovered that growing a YouTube channel takes passion, persistence, and patience. So how do you avoid the common mistakes most YouTubers make while growing their channels? Don't worry, I'm here to help. On this channel, you'll get videos on how to stay motivated, how to customize, optimize, and promote your YouTube videos, and most importantly, how to monetize your videos so you can generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot. Here are some samples of video tutorials I've uploaded to my YouTube channel over the last few years. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, subscribers, and sales on autopilot in 2018, hit the red subscribe button. You'll be glad you did. I'll see you in the comments of my next video. Thanks for watching.